Hello friends, welcome to Bootstrap 5 video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorials, we understood what is Bootstrap, how to download Bootstrap, how to add Bootstrap to our website, Bootstrap text formatting classes, Bootstrap text size classes, text color classes, background color classes, heading classes, text alignment classes, text transform classes, and Bootstrap image classes. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss Bootstrap list related classes. So let's get started. Here at the desktop we have my website folder. I open it. Inside my website folder we have default.html page. I right click on it, say open with notepad. You can see that default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to Bootstrap demo. I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with Google Chrome. You can see that default.html page is open in the Chrome. Title is set to Bootstrap demo, right? Let's understand Bootstrap list related classes one by one. First we have list-unstyled class. It is used to unstyle the list, guys. List-unstyled class is used to unstyle the list. That is, it is used to remove the bullets, left padding, etc. For example, here in the body section, I am going to say opening UL, closing UL tag. We are creating unordered list. Here I say opening LI, closing LI. Inside that I put some text item. I am going to copy this and paste 1, 2, 3 times. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see that the unordered list is created. I want to create one more unordered list. I just simply use here one BR tag and then I copy this and paste down. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, we got one more unordered list here. What I want is I want to remove these bullets, some left padding, all these things. I just want to unstyle this list. So simply what we can do, guys, we can take help of the class list-unstyled. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see that this list is now unstyled. Bullets are removed, left padding is removed, etc. Right? Nice. Next we have list-group class. It is also used to unstyle the list, guys. With the list-group class, you can also use list-group item class on the list items. List-group-item class used to add some border, some padding around the list items, guys. Let's see an example. I'm going to copy this code and paste here. Let me add one BR here. Okay, if I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, we got one more unordered list. Check out what happens. Here I say class of list-group. If I say list group, okay, this unordered list is going to get unstyled. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see the bullets are removed, left padding is removed, etc. We can add the border around these list items. We can add some nice padding with the help of the class called as list-group-item. I want to take this class, add here, here, here. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see that nice border is added, nice padding is added around the list item content. That's nice, right? How your list is looking, you can see that. Fine, let's move on. Next we have list group item action class. It is used to add some mouse over styles on the entire anchor element. If you want, you can make list of anchors, guys. For example, I am going to copy this code and paste here, and I'm going to replace this with A. So we are making the list of anchor tags. Here I say href hyperlink reference hash. I am going to copy this, paste here, paste here, paste here. Next, I am going to add the class list group here, and I am going to add the class list group item here. Right? Paste, 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 paste. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, we got one more unordered list. And you can see that when we move the mouse over anchor tags, the text is highlighting with the blue color. We don't want that. Instead, we want entire anchor tag should highlight with some gray color background. So simply what we do is we say here list dash group dash item dash action class we use. I'm going to copy this, paste here, paste here, paste here. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh. So this time when I move the mouse over these items, you can see the text is not highlighting with the blue color. Instead of that, entire anchor tag is highlighting with the gray color. You can see that light gray color. So that is the use of list group item action class, guys. Fine. Next we have list dash inline class. It is also used to unstyle the list. On the list items, you can use list dash inline dash item class. It is used to convert the list items to inline block. It is used to place the list items one beside another, guys. For example, I am going to add here the br tag, line break, and I copy this unordered list and paste here. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see that we have another unordered list. Let me zoom it so that you can see everything clearly. Okay. Now, if I come to this unordered list and use the class called as list-inline. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see it has unstyled the list. Okay, it has unstyled the list, but the list items are one below another. We want the list item should sit one beside another. So for that, what we do? We use the class called as list-inline-item. Okay, so here I am going to say class of list-inline-item. I am going to copy this class and paste here, paste here, paste here. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh. Now you can see that the list items are sitting one beside another, guys. So that is the use of list inline class and list inline item class. I hope you guys have clearly understood. You can use the list inline item on the anchor tags also. Fine. So if I just copy this code from here, just to show you, I am using the br tag and paste here. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see we have the anchor tag sitting one beside another here. Fine. Okay, let me align properly. I'm going to indent the code so that you can see everything clearly. Simple. I'm going to add the br tag. Okay, next we have list group item colors. Okay, we can use the list dash group dash item dash primary, list dash group dash item dash secondary. So these classes we can use to set the background color to list items, guys. For example, I take help of this unordered list code. I paste here. I'm going to copy this and paste here. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, so we have here an unordered list, right? Nice. Let's set some background colors to each list item. So we take help of list dash group dash item dash primary class, right? What class we have? List group item primary. You can see that, right? Fine. So I'm going to copy this and paste here, paste here, paste here, paste here, paste here, paste here, paste here. So if I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see that all the list items got the blue background color, right? If you want different background colors, definitely you can take help of other classes like secondary. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, so this got the gray background color, right? We can say here instead of primary, SUCCESS, success. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, we got green background color. Like that you can use other colors, guys. I can say here warning. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, yellow background color is set. Next I say here info, info. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see cyan background color is set. Next I can say here dark, dark. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, you can see dark gray background color is applied. We have light, light. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, light gray background color is applied. You can see that. and we have danger. Yes, I missed the danger, so here I say danger, danger. If I say file, save, go to browser and refresh, we got the red background color set here. So like that, in Bootstrap we work with the lists, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood Bootstrap list related classes. I strongly suggest you people to write down these classes, remember them, practice as much as possible. In the upcoming video tutorials, we are going to discuss more about Bootstrap. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.